What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video here at Alexis Hidalgo Tech. Today, we're unboxing what might just be one of the absolute best value for money deals on the market right now, especially for anyone looking to jump into the Samsung ecosystem for the first time without breaking the bank. Right here, I've got the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G in white. I picked this up directly through my carrier, read by SFR, for a total of €200 plus a €50 bill credit, which drops the net cost of this phone down to just €150. Honestly, you guys are going to be blown away by both the aesthetics and the spec sheet at this price point. For context, this device originally launched at €418. Cracking open the box, the first thing we see is the SIM ejector tool. Tucked inside the packaging, alongside the usual documentation, we get a standard USB-C to USB-C cable. And here is the device itself. This is the 128GB storage variant paired with 6GB of RAM. Up front, we're looking at a 6.7-inch display, a 12-megapixel selfie camera, and the top earpiece, which pulls double duty for that stereo sound setup. I am really digging this colorway. We're getting Gorilla Glass Victus protection on both the front and the back. Taking a look at the back panel, we have the LED flash and the triple camera array, featuring an 8-megapixel, 50-megapixel, and 5-megapixel setup. The frame is plastic. On the right side, we have the power button, which you can map to trigger either Bixby or Gemini, depending on your preference. Right below the volume rocker. Up top is our microphone array, and moving to the bottom, we find the secondary speaker grille, the charging port to juice up that massive 5,000 mAh battery, another microphone, and the dual SIM tray. To top it all off, this phone comes with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating and is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor.